Hi, it's Himi Sama once again. It's 1:40 in the afternoon here in the Philippines, here in Dasmariñas, Cavite. So ano kayang topic na i-vent out ko right now? I think yung about sa isang relative ko. Yung isa kong relative, parang naging issue sa family. If you angels or guys or slash my friends watch my previous video, so I just really want to share my view about being spoiled, and is it good to have a daughter or even an adoptive daughter na spoiled or dapat bang spoiled? What is the meaning of it? And for correction, adoptive, it's an adjective word. So marami kasing nang judge sa akin na, she's not a real daughter of her adoptive parents. Pero sabi ng iba, anong adoptive daughter? Hindi naman talaga legal na inampun yan. So yun yung mga issue about me. So adoptive, it's an English word, it's an adjective, meaning you can use that even if it's not legal. So yun yung term na ginagamit. Kaya nga ang tawag ko dun sa aunt ko and uncle ko na nagpalaki sa akin, this is their house. They are my adoptive parents. So hindi ko sila legal na naging, legal sila from my biological parents. Nag-agree na ipapalaki nila ako dito since I was 13 until I finished my college and some days of my after college years. So, yun nga, my adoptive parents, the younger sister of my biological mother. So, adoptive meaning you can use that even if it's not legal on documents or on papers, you can use that. Meaning parang sila yung nagpalaki sa akin simula nung high school until college. And adoptive daughter, hindi rin siya legally adopted. But you can use the word. It's an adjective. Kasi parang may uncle din akong nang judge sa akin from the previous years. He said, I'm not gonna mention the name of my particular uncle who told me this phrase nang sabi, hindi ka naman nila anak. Pamangkin ka lang. Or in English, you are not their daughter. You are just their niece. So, something like that na ngayon, parang nagmamabait yung particular uncle na yon. So, it's just really weird. I'm not gonna mention the name for respect. I still have respect for my family because at the end of everything, you still need to have a family, right? At the end of everything, you still need to have friends. Best friend, girlfriend. So, I just wanna say it again, I miss you so much, Mitch. I miss you so much wherever you are. You know that I'm always praying good things for you. And I miss you so much. God knows how much I miss you, Mitch. Yeah. And let's go back. So, sabi nga ng isang aunt ko on the other side of the family, it's still on my biological mother's side, pero mga cousin, I'm not gonna mention the name, pero yung aunt ko na yon, she's part of the National Bureau of Investigation. So, NBI yon. Para lang, I'm not really sure, pero parang may usapan from the previous years. Sabi, ani yan si Pai? Oh my God, I've mentioned my name again. Sabi, ani yan si Peachy? Peachy is my new name. Anong purpose niyan? Spoiled ng spoiled. And the other people na in the church, even the parents, even the other people of my class, even the parents of my classmates and the other people na nag-o-observe, na spoiled naman yan, ganun, ganito, ganito, ganyan. Kasi nga nire-reto-reto ko dun sa mga anak nila. I'm not being judgmental. Of course, I do respect all the sons and daughters of other people's family. Hindi naman din kasi ako pinalaki ng family ko, in fairness before, and my adoptive parents, they passed a values on me to always humble my heart. But of course, when it comes to love, it's a free will, right? Free will yan, it's a big decision. And of course, ako rin naman, if other family are scrutinizing me, of course, I also have my eyeglasses with me. So parang equal, patasan lang. Hindi porket kayo nag-scrutinize, you're examining me, I also have the right and I'm on the right age right now na I can do a little bit of, inspection of what kind of people they are. Kasi they're judging me already. Like on my previous video, I said na I'm not judgmental. I was raised inside the Church of Christ. I was there in the choir group. So my belief, I'm not gonna use my tongue to judge other people or to say negative things or to react negatively right away without knowing the entire story of a particular situation or a particular person. Because it is so painful na other people are judging me. So sabi nga nung aunt ko, anong purpose niyan? Bakit yan spoiled? Ganito, ganyan, ganito, ganyan. You know what? Being spoiled kasi means they love you. Your family love you and sometimes it's an emblem of the family. Ako din, if ever in the future given a chance to have my own story, to end up with someone who can accept me and love me as me, of course, I also want to have a child. And of course, like what I said, sinabi nila spoiled ako. That was my right as I was a child. Don't judge me. I don't owe anything because I was a child back then. Karapatan ko yun kasi bata ako eh. Pag bata ka kasi, sabi ng iba, ang pagbibigay ng lahat ay pagiging spoiled, hindi raw maganda. No. It's in the Bible eh. If you can pamper your child, why not? If you can spoil your son or daughter, why not? It's up to you. How will you guide them while giving them the material things? And sometimes life is not perfect. Hindi rin perfect ang isang family because there are some good and bad things that are happening right now and were still happening inside the family. And hindi rin naman lahat masama, but of course, when you are lacking of money, people change. People change, and sometimes you cannot control the changes on them. Sometimes, unconsciously, hindi mo alam, nagkakaroon ka na ng mental illness. And mental illness is curable. Kasi, like, yung issue na yan, other people are judging me na nagkaka-mental illness na talaga si Peachy. And then sabi ng biological mother ko, kasi nga spoiled yan. So ganun-ganun. I remember everything right now. Kasi mental illness, it's the awareness of your mind. Of course, minsan you cannot go back. You wanted to go back to being you, naalala mo yung mga good things. It's natural na you have this confusion in your head. But still, I am trying to jot down everything on my online journal. I'm inviting everyone, my angels, kasi you can just really organize your thoughts. Yung point ko dun sa aunt ko, na nagko-comment siya, bakit ka ba ini-spoiled? Hindi ba siya mapapakinabangan? You know what? I have a heart eh. I have a genuine heart. If I can just return everything to my adoptive parents, why not? I have that kind of heart. Pero ayoko kasi siyang ibino-vocal these days because I'm really having a hard time right now. I'm always a bummer, which is not really my fault. Ang daming mga weird na parang may mga taong sumusuporta sa'yo. Pero pag nandun ka na sa work, I passed all the exam, I passed the interview, I passed the online interview, even on some other call centers in Manila, and then something will happen na parang lagi kang nare-remove and I can't really explain everything. Ang hirap i-explain. So, I just want to give an awakening mind dun sa mga taong judgmental na ang pagiging spoiled ng isang bata ay hindi masama at hindi siya kasalanan. Pampering your child is a good act. It's a responsibility of being a parent. Right? Yung pagiging magulang mo. Pagiging mong responsible na ikaw ay isang adult, you're an adult that you have the ability and capacity to guide a younger soul or to guide a child. Kung sino mang nang husga, it's because I was spoiled raw, blah, blah, blah. It's really painful in my part na sinabing, I'm a black sheep. I'm not a black sheep. I was a good girl, my original category, but I'm not perfect. And my belief, if you committed something, a mistake, it's time for that particular person to learn something, to grow as a human being. Diba, there is a song na, I am just human, born to make mistake. But you have to learn from that mistake. And as an adult, you should have awareness already from the past mistakes that you committed na hindi mo na uulitin, na you're not going to repeat that particular mistake that you had in your life. So, yun yung belief ko. Yun. So, ayoko lang ng judgmental na tao na yan, sa pagiging spoiled, hindi raw ako makatayo. That is so painful. Don't ruin the reputation of your relative. Ako, I never do that eh. As much as possible, I'm always careful on describing them or delivering words verbally. Kasi pag verbal na yan, pag salitaan na, yung sinabi mo sa ibang tao, iba na yon. It's really parang sensitive. Talagang iti-take seriously yan nung mga taong napagsabihan mo. So, for my relatives and for that particular relative, wag mo sabihin na hindi mapakinabangan tong si Pai sa pagiging spoiled. No. Ang pagiging spoiled din ng isang anak, it's in the Bible. All the wealth must be given by your parent. Pero like what I said, hindi naman masamang mag-payback or mag-return tayong mga anak dun sa magulang natin. If time comes na kaya ko na, kaya mo na, o kaya ng kahit sinong anak, but it's in the Bible, lahat, kahit mayaman ng parents mo, you still need to work. I know that. Kaso iba lang, yung sa iba na talagang may mayamang parents na they own their own company, they have their own business. Like me, I dream to have my own pet shop. So yon. So, kiniklear ko lang at ina-awakening ko lang yung mind ng mga taong nanghusga nga sa akin. Nanghusga na bakit nga ako ni-spoiled and may mga secret kasi ang bawat family. So, dito sa neighborhood, kung for sure hindi lang naman ako yung spoiled dito. Kung meron mang pampered or spoiled yung family dito, you know, just think of probably there is a reason behind. And you don't have the right or you're not in the position to know what's the reason behind. Bakit ba pinapamper yun? Bakit ba ini-spoil yun? Diba? Hindi mo alam eh. So be careful on judging people's lives. Unless na alam mo lahat. But still, if you're not part of the family, you don't have the right to judge the person na ba't nga siya ini-spoiled, bakit siya spoiled, and bakit siya pinapamper. Diba? You still need to ask. Or if you are not a friend of that particular family, huwag ka nalang mangialam. Right? So, let's have coffee. So, for Pilot Garrett, hi! Singit ka lang, I really like Pilot Garrett. I'm not sure if I'm his type. Because, nakita mo naman yung looks nila, Pilot Garrett, diba? Talagang Barbie looking. Is it really important to present yourself beautifully, as in perfect, or to have a good skin? I mean, yung physical aspect mo to get a boyfriend? Singit ko lang siya, of course naman. The first thing that you can see on a person is yung physical attributes, di ba? Before mo makilala yung tao. So, hi, Pirate Garrett. I hope there's a positive thing that can happen, like what you said, at the end of the tunnel. Sana nga tayo yung makita dun sa tunnel, no? Whatever tunnel is that, wherever tunnel is that, I hope I can see you, Pilot Garrett. So I'm looking forward to really meet you, Pilot Garrett, and I hope you will appreciate me, though, you know, I am not that confident and I feel so, I don't feel good about myself these days for a lot of reason, and some things are better to talk privately, if in case. So, just for the recap, for my friends and angels, don't judge the family kung may mga ine-spoil or may pamper inside the family because you don't know the reason. Probably, there is a reason behind. At sa iba naman, talagang gusto lang nilang may spoiled. Kasi emblem yun eh. It's like an asset in the family na nakapag-produce sila ng isang spoiled na gaya nung sa ibang mga aristocrat family. Pero ako kasi, I was raised as a middle class. Pero right now, we're really having a hard time to reach that category. So, medyo wala na kami. Nag-below middle class na talaga. So, I really just wanna take my chance here to get a boyfriend. So, if ever, hi, Pilot Garrett, well, there's a lot of things to say and just wait for my next vent out vlog here. I hope you appreciate this. Thank you. Thank you so much, angels. I hope you've learned something from me na don't judge the family, don't judge me if I was spoiled, so hindi naka-spoiled ngayon eh. So, thank you.